dances on the balcony as I wait for thee to come home. A form of the words every miles of this when you're in that dress.
We're in for a storm tonight. The lightning is basically right over top of us. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen anymore, but oof, she's pouring out there.
Glad you came, glad you came.
Morning, y'all. Wow, that was a storm last night. I think I got like one clip of it, but it was crazy. Like, poured, and the thunder was so over top the trailer. It would literally shook the camper. It was crazy. Anyway, today is a brand new day. Cup of coffee. We're heading into Clearwater. Go find a place to camp and maybe do some hiking. So let's get this show on the road.
Had me wondering why I feel like home. I hold you close so you're by my side till the end of time.
Alright. Okay guys, we are just past the town of Clearwater, and there's 42 waterfalls, if I remember correctly here. But we are heading to camp at one called Spa Huts. I've hiked in there before, but I've never camped, so hopefully the road in isn't too bad and we'll get to go see it again. So we're doing Silvertip Falls. It's like a 5-minute walk to the van platform. But for only being 5 minutes from the highway, it's spectacular. And the dogs are excited to get out of the truck finally. I feel like this channel is more of a love letter to my dogs. Any puppies? You can't say they're not loved. Tell by the tapping on the windshield, it is pouring rain, and we are heading to a very remote campsite near Silvertip Falls. I've parked there before, but never tried to get the camper in, but it should be fun. And then we're going to hopefully do that hike either today or tomorrow. I haven't really decided yet. We'll see how it goes when we get there. popping away, Obsidian.
Love it when we hide in the pale blue sky, floating on cloud nine. Do you feel the winds are turning?
Right there is Silvertip Falls.
What goes up must always come back down. I'll be safe in your arms, like the light in the day never part. I'm looking down the line, with you by my side I'll be fine.
I am at a very remote campsite. Thank God for Starlink, but look how pretty this is. Okay, let's go for a walk. Very, very wet out. Puppies. Always put important stuff in zippered pockets. Come on. All right. Okay, so we're gonna do Silvertip Falls. Could have waited till tomorrow, but it's supposed to rain all weekend, so let's just say screw it and do it. It's only one in, one out, so. Anyway, there's my campsite. Right beside this creek. This is definitely the wettest trail the puppies have ever done, but killing it. You're doing great. Good job. Yeah. Just in case anybody's watching and wondering, this isn't their first time with these dogs. I take them quite literally everywhere.
Space for you. I've given up my second
amazing? Good boys, you made it! Hey guys, I think we're going to call this one a wrap because it is absolutely pouring out, and head back down to the camper and get dried off. I'll see you guys next week as we head to even more waterfalls in Clearwater and then make our way to Edmonton.